Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the dollar index, gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically based on a daily time frame, we can find that there is a potential for the ABC completion. We have the upside, massive upside trend. Basically, we're trading for a few months with upcycle. From beginning of the March, we started this upcycle. We had some retest of the high, but this is very interesting to watch here. Market sold out below this previous low, closed below. So 2 trading days ago, market closed below this rising 20-day moving average, and then reclaimed that on Friday. And that's basically a very good sign since we're sitting in a strong upside cycle. There is a potential for completion of this ABC downside correction, and we reclaimed the 20 exponential, so that's pretty productive. My expectation here is that we can trade higher and eventually to revisit this area again at 131.30. If we speak about some bigger levels, we can go to the monthly time frame, and when we can basically find that we have a levels around 135. 134.90 or 135. We have some levels at 133.75, and then next important pivot levels based on the monthly around 135 mark. So plenty of the space if the market will continue to go higher. Plenty of the space for the market to go for another 400 to 550 pips to the upside. So watch carefully, and the next important levels again 131.35, 133.75, 135. Potential ABC completion on the USD and in a strong upside trend, so watch for buying opportunities on the dips. Speaking of the dollar, US dollar index, basically we have some one-day pullback. Market tried to go upside and then trade below. If we go to like say 12 hour, if we see the market went to the extreme now, trying to pull back. 4 hours already sitting on the middle Keltner line. So from my perspective, this seems like a pullback creating a bull flag. So either we basically try to find the bottom around this stage, 104.35, maybe fully retest 104.15, but I definitely expect higher prices on US dollar index since I don't see any big sign of the reversal at this stage. Speaking of the gold market, basically gold reached our main pivot, and that's basically a 1790 level. This is a key pivot level for the gold. We can see that after the price reached 1790, it's rejected already for about $10. 1790 is also a big control zone. I can show you basically here. If I remove all of this and basically just go to show you this whole area here, I can basically find it, the volume point to control. It's 1790, it should be 1790, right? Exactly that price which we spoke about. So So 1790 is basically the mean of this whole consolidation. And if we clear 1790 in trade below, then we can attack 1750 zone, 55, and then the lows at 1720 and 1680. So definitely, I don't see any kind of the reversal at this stage. And we have a big sell-off this morning in the Europe session. So it will be quite interesting to watch if the 1790 will hold. For now, basically we had a big sell-off and some kind of the climax, and now inside bar. So definitely still no signs for the reversal, but keep pivot on the test in a strong downside cycle on the gold. Speaking of the crude oil, basically crude oil is testing and rejected actually from 111.55. That's a very important resistance. That's basically We got the swing highs from May 6th, May 5th, right? So it's a very important pivot, and we got rejection. The market is trading inside the previous Friday's range. So market failed to sustain to go above that level and got sell-off. So we'll see. Market is still in a heavy consolidation. Any meaningful breakout of 111.75 can eventually lead the price to 114.10 and maybe 116.50. But we need a break and follow through. That's not the case today. So we might also see the rotation downside. Again, sideways regime on the crude oil. Bitcoin, I think the 5% drop. It seems like basically that we have the potential for ABC. Let me just go here to show you, for example, on where you can see maybe most clean is the 8 or 12 hour. So this can be basically simply ABC, right? I don't see any kind of reversal. It was basically aggression here. There was a 1A and there's potential B. It might be the ABC for something like this to retest 25,400. So clear downside cycle right there, tested the previous day low. If we clear 29,290, we might see the ABC structure to recontinue with the downside. Bigger picture downside trend is absolutely to the downside. So watch for lower prices on the Bitcoin. And basically that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good day, trade safe as always, and see you tomorrow morning.